Hey guys, how you doing today? I'm going to show you how to make my edition of a rum runner. So I'm going to add my ice to my shaken tin first, and I'm going to do half an ounce of banana liqueur and half an ounce of blackberry liqueur. Okay, and then I'm going to follow that up with half an ounce of Myers dark rum and half an ounce of Captain Morgan spice rum. Great, and then I went ahead and mixed my pineapple and orange juice together, so I'm going to do 4 ounces. And then I'm going to add half an ounce of lime juice. If you have fresh limes, it's even better, but this is what I have right now. And then half an ounce of grenadine, more so for color, not so much for flavor. Pop on my top of my shaken tin and give this a nice shake. I'm gonna go ahead and flex those muscles right there for a second. All right, I'm gonna run out of time because I wasn't paying attention, but you're gonna just take this and strain it over your fresh ice, and you guys are all set to go. I would garnish this with a pineapple and a cherry. Enjoy.